Hi, I'm Angelica from Born to Be Nomadic, and today we're going to talk about our new solar power system. So we're here at the 2019 Rubber Tramp Rendezvous in Quartzsite, Arizona, and we were doing one of the caravans that Bob Wells set up, and we met an incredible man named Steve, and he helped us to install our system. We really didn't know very much about solar power before we got this system, so he taught us a lot, and also we learned a lot from Arizona Wind and Sun. They were very, very patient with us and taught us so many different things about what we really needed in solar power. I think that before we got this system, we were very naive in what we thought that it was going to cost us about, maybe $1,000, but it was much more than that. And but we got everything we wanted. We wanted all of our outlets to work in our whole rig, and we wanted to have basically enough supply to run our television, to do our 400 watt blender, to do my 1400 watt blow dryer, to be able to run lights at night. We had been living in a smaller trailer for about 3 years. And so this is a system that is so much more compatible with our lifestyles and allowing us to really thrive. But we did take some time to really think about what we wanted before we settled on this. So are you ready to explore our new system? Inside of the trailer here, this compartment was meant to be for an outdoor refrigerator, and we changed it to our solar center. This is our 2000 watt inverter converter. It will charge the batteries as well as, it doesn't charge the batteries. It converts our power so that all of our outlets work. This helps to charge our battery. This is the charge controller. This sends the energy from the solar panels on the roof down into our batteries, and these are battle-born batteries from Reno, Nevada, because we are Nevadans, so of course we wanted to have the battle-born lithium batteries. And we also have some fuses out here so that we can shut things off, so there's no problems. This is our rooftop solar. We have 640 watts on top of the roof in two 320 watt panels. They are actually pretty large, but we have a lot of space on top of a 33-foot travel trailer. This is the view from the top of our rig looking out at the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous. Thank you so much, Bob Wells, for having this amazing event. This is my 4th year coming to the RTR. And thank you to Steve for helping us understand solar. Thank you to James at Arizona Wind and Sun. And thanks to all the wonderful friends we met. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to our channel below if you want to